Imagine the ultimate luxury SUV from your dreams, but now reimagined with more space than you ever thought possible. Welcome to the future of opulent travel. This is the 2026 Mercedes V-Class, and it's a shocking game changer that makes the traditional, cramped luxury SUV feel completely obsolete. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement of what family and executive travel can truly be. Welcome back. Today, we are getting an exclusive look at the 2026 Mercedes V-Class. A vehicle that masterfully redefines the luxury multi-purpose vehicle, or MPV. In a market dominated by tall SUVs, this van re-enters the conversation with a compelling proposition. Unbridled space, wrapped in unmistakable Mercedes-Benz prestige. It's the brand showing the world it's ready to challenge the entire notion of premium transport, raising the bar by offering a first-class lounge experience that simply can't be replicated in any other vehicle segment. The exterior design is a cinematic evolution, trading utilitarian boxiness for a sleek, confident stance. The front is dominated by the iconic grille, flanked by sharp, intelligent multi-beam LED headlights that cut through the night. The body is long, low and wide, with a commanding profile that looks more like a luxury concept limousine than a practical people mover. At the rear, sophisticated LED lighting completes a look of substantial, modern elegance. Now, open the massive sliding door and prepare to have your expectations shattered. This is where the V-Class transforms from a vehicle into a mobile sanctuary. You are greeted by a lounge that rivals a private jet cabin. The available leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats with memory functions, and rich interior trim create an immediate sense of occasion. For families or executives, the space is the ultimate luxury. The cabin offers a level of legroom and headroom that makes even the largest SUVs feel confined, with versatile seating configurations for supreme comfort. Technology is seamlessly integrated to serve this serene environment. A vivid touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of it all, offering seamless connectivity, while an available high-end Burmester premium sound system fills the cabin with concert hall audio. This is a space designed for connection, relaxation, and tranquility. The driving experience is engineered around one core principle: effortless, serene smoothness. Under the hood, you'll find a refined 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering ample power with a robust torque output that makes moving this substantial vehicle feel effortless. Power is channeled through a silken 9-speed automatic transmission, contributing to a driving experience focused on impeccable composure and quiet confidence. The advanced adaptive suspension is tuned to deliver a cloud-like ride, isolating passengers from the imperfections of the road beneath. For the true visionary, know that this is the beginning of a new era. Mercedes has confirmed the next-generation V-Class will debut on a new, dedicated electric platform, paving the way for a silent, electric future. The 2026 Mercedes V-Class presents a powerful and elegant vision for modern mobility. It's a statement that true luxury isn't defined by the vehicle's silhouette, but by the experience it provides within. It offers a glimpse into a future where space, comfort, and technology converge without compromise. This vehicle establishes a new benchmark, reinforcing Mercedes-Benz's unique strength in crafting not just cars, but unparalleled environments on wheels. So I have to ask, for your ultimate vehicle, is the pinnacle the commanding height and image of a luxury SUV, or the boundless space, serene comfort, and lounge-like atmosphere of the Mercedes V-Class? Let me know your priority in the comments below.